everyone. Look who's here. Greeny parrot. Say hello to Greeny parrot. Hello to crow. Crow is in black color. And parrot is in green color. And you know what parrot likes to eat? Parrot likes to eat guava. Green chili. Okay, one day, Greeny parrot saw a guava tree. This is a guava tree. And you know what? Who was sitting on the guava tree? Crow. A crow was sitting on the guava tree. And what crow said?
Go away! This is my tree!
I want to have those guavas.
Go away! This is my tree!
No, please, can I have those guavas?
No! Go away! This is a blue big balloon. I can bust this balloon near the guava tree.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Crow flew away. Now I'm going to eat all the guavas. Alright children, so the moral of the story